Only 10% of nouns are formed plural by adding V in place of F and EF. Hello there. This is KR Bardwaj. I always welcome you to my YouTube channel, Font of English Education. This is the third video of noun. In the very first video, we learned about types of noun. In the second video, we learned about noun and gender. I taught there are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Today, we will learn about noun and number. If you haven't watched very last 2 videos, please go to the home page of the channel and watch those videos. So in this video we will learn about some basics of noun and number. In further video we will learn about advanced concepts of noun and number. I know most of you are here for competitive examination. I also teach competitive examination level English. First, I would love to give you an overview of noun. How to form? How do we form singular noun, plural or noun plural? Here, boy, boys. First, we will learn about these one. After that, we will come these ones. Okay. First, we will learn about these ones. Boy, boys. Singular boy, plural boys. Girl singular, girls plural. Dog singular, dogs plural. Tax singular, taxes plural. Okay, brush singular, brushes singular. Horse singular, horses plural. These are plural. So my dear friends, okay, you have noticed over here some nouns, they are formed plural. Okay, some nouns that are formed plural by adding only s at the end of the noun, and some nouns that are formed plural by adding es at the end of the noun. Why? But some nouns that are not formed plural by adding s and es at the end of the noun. So how? Man, men. Guys, this one is correct. Woman, it's not woman, it's woman. Okay, woman and not. This is not women, is incorrect. Correct plural, its plural is women. Women. Guys, point of notice, woman and women. Crisis, not crisis, not as. We have to use crisis. There are many nouns that are formed plural in a different way, not by adding s and es at the end of the noun. Here, cactus, not cactuses, it's incorrect. So we have to write cacti. Water, waters. Guys, some nouns that give us different meaning when they are singular. Some nouns that, when they are plural, they have different meaning. Water, water, you know very well about it. Water singular, it has different meaning. When we add s at the end of the noun, it's waters, it has different meaning. It's not plural, it's different meaning. Ship, sheep, both are same, singular and plural. Series, series, singular and plural both. Some nouns that are always singular and plural. Cattle, without adding, without s and s, without having s and es at the end of the noun. Vermin, peasantry, people, cavalry, etc., etc. These are always plural. These are treated always plural. Physics, always singular. Okay, having s by the end, at the end of the noun, s always singular. Mathematics, always singular. Politics, always singular. Why? We will learn each and everything step by step in further videos. This video is basic one. We will learn in this video basics of noun and number. So guys, in the most of students get confused over here. S, S, only S and ES. When do we add S to form a plural noun, and when do we use es to form a plural noun. Most of students get confused over here. In the next slide we will learn about it. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. As we learned in the very last slide, 90% nouns are formed plural by adding s and es at the end of the noun. So here, most of students get confused. When do we add s and when do we add es to form plural noun? Okay, to form a plural noun. Some of nouns which end in ch, sh, s, double s, o, x and z. Guys, point to be noted. I repeat, some of the nouns which end in ch, sh, s, double s, o, x and z are formed plural by adding es at the end of the noun. For example, singular and plural. Okay, class, double s by the end of the noun. Okay, sorry, at the end of the noun. Classes, es. Branch, singular, ech at the end of the noun, and branches, es, plural. Box, boxes, x. Over here, plural, boxes, es. Buds, plural, budgies, es. Dress, double s by, okay, at the end of the sentence, dresses, es. Volcano, and o. Guys, point to be noted, o. Here, o at the end of the word, at the end of the noun, and volcanoes, es. So I repeat, when, okay, some of the nouns which end in ch, sh, s, double s, o, x, z. So we have to form that nouns. Guys, point to be noted. We form that noun plural by adding es. Like pen, at the end of the word is n. N is not one of these words. So we use pens, only s. Boy, y. Y is not one of these words. We use s. Okay, we add s to form plural. Here, some nouns that have o at the end are formed plural by adding s and es. Guys, point to be noted, as I mentioned before, as I told you before, this rule doesn't work. Some nouns that have o at the end are formed plural by adding s or es. How? Vowel plus noun. If any noun has vowel plus o, it takes s. Consonant plus o, it takes es. Guys, point to be noted. Any noun, like over here, radio, vowel plus o, es. Singular, radio, singular, I'm sorry, only s, not es. And yes, radio, radios. Zoo, vowel plus o, zoos. S, only s. Bamboo, bamboos. Ratio, ratios. Stereo, stereos. Only s. But some nouns that have consonant plus o are formed plural by adding es at the end of the noun. Guys, point to be noted. Potato, like t is a consonant, and after that o. Potatoes, plural, potatoes, es at the end of the noun. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. Mango, mango. G, consonant plus o. H, echo, h, consonant plus o. Plural, e with, okay, are formed plural. These words, all these are formed plural by adding es at the end of the nouns. So guys, I hope you understand, but these rules, guys, point out, these rules don't work 100%. Some nouns related to science and technology that have different pattern. In the next slide, we will learn about those words. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Some these nouns don't follow this pattern. Related to science and technology words, don't follow this pattern. Consonant plus O takes ES. Here, this rule doesn't work. Logo, logos. G over here, consonant, after that O. Logos, ES. Okay, only S, not ES. Piano, N, a consonant, after that O. Pianos, only S. Studio, studios. Embryo, embryos. Y, O, only S. Plural, only was. Dynamo and dynamos, only S. So in the next slide we will learn some words that end in Y. They are formed plural, removing Y and adding IES. In the next slide we will learn something new. Some of the nouns which end in Y are formed plural by adding IES in place of Y and S at the end of the noun. Sir, we haven't understood. Okay, it's okay. Consonant plus Y. If any noun ends in consonant plus Y, okay, is formed plural by adding IES in place of Y. Like the singular plural, like baby. Consonant plus Y. Consonant plus Y, we have to remove Y and add IES at the end of the noun. Baby, babies. Lily, lilies. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. Family, families. City, cities. Country, countries. Etc. etc. I repeat, consonant plus Y. If any noun ends in consonant plus Y, is formed plural by removing Y and adding IES at the end of the noun. Like this, baby, babies. Lily, lily, lilies. So here, some noun, guys, same. A noun which ends in vowel plus Y is formed plural adding S by the end or at the end of the noun. Like boy, consonant plus Y. Vowel plus Y. We don't remove here Y. We only add S. Boy, boys. Day, days. Toy, toys. Key, key. Bay, bays. Monkey, monkey. Way, ways. Etc. etc. Just point to be noted. If we have consonant plus Y, we remove Y and add IES at the end of the noun. If we have vowel plus Y, okay, we add only S to form plural noun. I hope you understood. Some of the nouns which have last letter F and EF, point to be noted, last letter F and EF, are formed plural by adding V plus ES in place of F and EF. Only 10% of nouns are formed plural by adding V in place of F and EF. Guys, point to it, like wife, wives, not wives. Singular wife, plural wives, not wives. Wives will be incorrect. Life, lives, not lives. Shelf, shelves. Self, selves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Half, halves. Leaf, leaves, not leaves. Okay, leaves, leaves. Knife, knives. Elf, elves. Okay, it's not calf, it's calf. We can say calf and calf. Both the sounds are correct. A calf and calves. When we talk about sheaf, sheaves. Guys, it means bundle and bunch. Only 10%, I repeat, only 10% words follow this rule. Although 90% words don't follow this pattern. They are formed plural in a normal way by adding S and ES without removing F. Like singular, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, safe, safes, gulf, gulfs, belief, beliefs, etc. etc. 90% words are formed plural by adding s and es at the end of the noun. Only 10% words, these are words, not little more words, only 10% words are formed plural by adding v in place of f by the end of the noun, center and by the end of the noun. So I would love to finishing this session over here. This video is basics of, we have learned in this video basics of noun and number. In further videos we will learn about some advanced concept of noun and number. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have fun.